You know, it's funny. It's like because I've done all this work on trauma, and I took the inward journey, and I resolved all these issues inside of myself, and in the absence of fear and anxiety, being in the present moment, I've been able to operate in what they call higher states of consciousness. So a lot of times I'm in the fifth and sixth dimensional framework of consciousness, you know? So now I can intuitively pick up on things that maybe other people can't, or so on. But see, when you start to talk to people and try to explain things that are other than physical, like consciousness itself, and the fact that consciousness is all around us, and there's all knowledge in this morphogenetic field of consciousness that can be accessed if a person does all the work, goes inside themselves, gets into the present moment, and stabilizes their emotions and has an even keel. Because then what ends up happening is, in the present moment that you're in, you become so aware that you break through seeing just physical things, and you start to open yourself up to things that are unseen, like intuition and, certain, actually, to be honest with you, psychic abilities, premonitions, even telekinesis, And so, but when you try to explain these things to people that aren't in higher dimensions of consciousness, that they only believe in this physical reality, and you're trying to explain to them about things that are higher than this reality, that are in the fourth, fifth, sixth dimensions and higher, well, they're trying to understand higher dimensions of consciousness, but they're still in the third dimension, where all they think and believe and see is a physical reality. And then they try to scientifically prove certain things that are in higher dimensions. But see, science is only understood and is created in the third dimension. So you can't prove something scientifically in the third dimension that's in higher dimensions of consciousness.